美的村姑啊，看到没有？看到了。
Come with me today as we travel into the forest of Guilin and see something truly spectacular. Hello everyone, welcome back to Adventures of an Boy. Today we are in the beautiful and wonderful Longji terrace fields, and that is an amazing experience, one that I'm very excited to see, and I just can't wait to see her because it has the place with the longest hair woman. Like, it's an amazing history, but let's see this little town. The head of here, like these here I think reach to their ankles. That's so cool. Interestingly, they have a museum in the village that showcases all the history and the secrets of these long-haired women. As long as Sana realizes that people are attracted to something, they'll make it into a museum or something. Exploring the secrets of long hair. Wow. My one question is, can any of these secrets work for my 4C here? But I must admit, I do use rice water in my hair, but not really for growth, but to help with its strengthening. So. Some of these women have hairs that are over 2,000 millimeters long. That's over 2 meters tall. That's amazing. Like, I don't have words. That's just truly astonishing. Imagine that the three treasures are a comb, rice, and a head wrap. Okay, here. First step, take the organic rice from Longji terraces. Second step, combine rice and mountain spring water. Third step, ferment the rice water following Red Yaw traditional method. Fourth step, fermentation status regularity. And fifth step, extract the essence of fermented washing water of rice. Interestingly enough, when I was doing my hair journey, like when my hair was much shorter than this, like I actually found this method on YouTube that has rice water and lemon peels or lime peels, lemon peels, yes, and like I left it in a bottle for like 2 weeks, and I think it has results. I'm just really excited.
看一个屏幕。实际上它的头皮并不太好的。
I went at this embarrassment. So she was saying my hair was way too oily, and in order to get the growth I need to remove this oil. So I didn't quite trust everything the museum was saying, so I decided to ask a local woman while I was at lunch. Please remember to check out my food adventures video here in Guilin. Thank you. 哎，问一下，你们真的用蜜雪吗？糖蜜雪。Wow, you've just heard from the horse's mouth. They really use it. There's hope for my hair. Now it's an exciting time as we get to go and see the terraced fields. That's so cool. Wow. Salosha is trying on the traditional wear. This is very interesting. Should I try it on as well? Dum dum. Should I, guys? Should I? One thing, I'm going to tourist well. I will tourist well. Everyone's going to take officer now. I feel so awkward as I continue to get my $40 worth. So, you know, still wearing it. Can't wait to show you the videos. Hopefully I post them tonight. So go check out my IG to see the craziest things I'm doing. But you know, it's cool to try new things, I guess. Yes. As we continue, we're touring the rest of the mountain. Losha and I are here, the two traditional men in our traditional clothes, and we're walking. It feels so weird to be wearing this because everyone is staring, but you know, it's cool, and I've always thought about trying it, you know? As I always say, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Finally, Losha. Yes! If we weren't ourselves, we wouldn't find a route that we shouldn't be taking. I don't want to have to wash these, so... Wow. Totally amazingly beautiful. Of course, everyone else is here to take pictures as well. So I have a 4 a.m. train to catch tomorrow, so unfortunately this is my last day here in Guilin. I want to say thank you for coming on this adventure. I'm hoping that the videos did justice to Guilin and that you're also impressed to come here and enjoy. So that's it, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and until next time, bye bye, see you next week.